There's another night shot. Nice sunset tonight, nice and purple. That's a restaurant there, that's another restaurant, and then you go around the corner, there's a bunch of restaurants, but there's a storm rolling in. So I figured I'd get a video of it. And here's our house here. Not all the lights are on. I don't know how to turn on all the lights yet, but this is just the like car driveway park. We have our, oh, there they go, they're turned on now. Okay, the lights are turned on, and there's all kinds of monsters and lizards and snakes that live in these bushes, so we don't go in there. Our scooters over there. There's our little main walkway up to the house. These are pretty cool, but this one went out. See, it flashes for a second. The little solar lights. Solar light. But these all look nice little shrubs. I don't know if you can see the red on them, but there's some red. Beautiful red tropical plants. But I know for sure there's monsters in there. I'll never go in there. Little laundry area. This is our outdoor kitchen. We're getting it set up. We still need a little sink. And there's where Palma and I live. That's our little living room. There's a bedroom in there too. But this is what the pool's like. This is where I hang out most of the time. I just listen to music. Storms coming. They have some pretty awesome storms here. Kids are in there. Max went to soccer practice today. Me and the kids went to the beach. And now they're playing video games. We got a couple of dorks. Wait, hold on. Who shut the fence? Did I shut that? Oh no, Mamo shut Pamo shut the fence. Why'd you shut that? Alright, Pamo's home. Okay, so she came back with Max. Let's go see what she's doing. Oh, and I was going to show you one more thing. Try not to go too fast on the camera, so I'm going to get dizzy. But this little koi pond, we're going to talk to the landlord and see if we can get that thing working. There's little fish in there, but I said I want big fish. Not giant fish, but fish that we can go fishing with. Look at that sunset. How purple that is. The lights turn on at 7. I'm gonna see if I can get the guy to turn those on at 6, because it gets dark a little bit earlier than that, but let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. You guys need help? Was there a bunch of stuff? Yeah? Okay. Alright, now you can see our scoots. I know I showed them before on a previous video, but I'd delete those videos. And when I get back to America, I'll explain why. How'd it go, bud?
Good.
Okay.